Youngest Jake here with the next episode in our series of husband versus wife Nerf Wars. Now, Broke Nerfing, a fellow YouTube channel, small, but he's growing, so check him out. I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. He commented he wanted to see me use a flywheel blaster. Well, he mentioned the Strife, but I figured, you know what? I'll change it up a little bit. I wanted to use the Modulus ECS-10 here, and he wanted to see me take on my wife using her Rapid Red, which basically is a reshelled and slightly improved, most people don't know that, is slightly improved over the Strife. The Rapid Red gets, at least in the 3 that we own, which I have actually also 2 up here in the box still, I own 5 of them, they get slightly higher feet per second. The Rapid Reds tend to get about 72-ish or so, and the Strife I have gets about 68, 69, so I don't know if it's just my version, but the 3 Rapid Reds that we've got out of the package, they all get about 71, 72-ish. So a few extra feet per second. And what we're going to do is a little variation on Broke Nerfing's comment. What I'm going to do is, I think my wife needs a little backup. And we're not going to do just a normal hit point round. We're going to go and we're going to play attack and defense mode, where we have a raised back deck off of our duplex here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to set a flag up there, and I'm going to have a respawn point for me, and I'm going to try to attack that flag and capture it. Now, we're going to put hit points on my wife. I'm going to take 10 hits to take her out, but she's also going to get a couple of mini-me versions of herself to help her out. That's right. Our daughters are going to join in. They each have Rapid Reds, and they're also going to get a couple of the Busby Cyclonics, which are full auto blasters with 20-round magazines. They're going to get a couple of those to back them up. And I'm going to run my Modulus ECS-10. I'm going to start out with my Worker 22 mags. And I am going to have my own blaster as backup. I'm going to use my Hyperfire slung over my shoulder as my assault rifle. So, without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 different episodes of the same, but reversed. I'm going to play the attack role in this episode, and then we're going to record at the same time, and I'll upload it as a separate video where I'm going to try to defend against the 3 of them. So, here we go. And remember, it's 10 hits, you're down. A hit just respawns me. Oh, got me. Respawn for 15 seconds here. Oh, got me. Let's top that off.
Gotcha. How many hits? Got one of you. Oh, Charlotte got me. I got Sarah though. I think Scarlett's the only one left. Counting way past 15 here.
No, I'm not out. That was just one hit. Uh-oh. Where did he get? Ah. Watch out, Sarah! Stand in the middle. Over there. That hit ya? Probably. Ow! That's two. I don't know. Hit him in the forehead. Better be ready. No, you're not ready. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, their dogs are barking.
Oh. Find it. She wants it. That was not how to use it. Here's one
I'm out. I'm out. Oh no, girls.
Sarah got me. I got Sarah.
Oh. Yep, Sarah, you're out. Scarlett, it's up to you.
To let us win.
Yeah, you can't let the girls down. It's up to you to prevent forest fires.
Yeah, I still only have 1, 2, 3. How much do you have?
None.
You better reload.
Not yet.
I have 1, 2, 3,
Uh-oh.